Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best options out there for horse fencing.
The Zareba HDR656WA-Z 656 feet of 8mm electric fencing heavy-duty sure-shock polyrope.
If you're looking for reliable and effective fencing solutions for your horses, stick around because this one's packed with features you'll want to know about.
Now, when it comes to keeping your horses safe and secure, choosing the right fencing is crucial. The Zareba HDR656WA-Z is specifically designed to provide both strength and safety. It features 6 highly conductive aluminum wires with incredible shocking power 20 times more than standard electric fences. This ensures that your horses stay where they should, safe from external threats. What sets this polyrope apart is its construction. It's woven with PVC-coated high-density fiberglass, making it not only strong but also lightweight. This is perfect for temporary pastures, rotational grazing, and equine containment. Plus, it's UV-resistant, which means it'll hold up well against the elements, giving you peace of mind knowing your investment will last. Installing and maintaining this polyrope is a breeze. It's designed for easy setup, repair, and splicing right in the field. This flexibility is essential for any horse owner looking to customize their fencing without hassle. And because it's lightweight, it's easy to handle and move around as needed. With a sturdy build and thoughtful design, it's no wonder customers rave about it. The Zareba HDR656WA-Z has earned its place as a top choice among horse owners, providing great value for money with its durability and effectiveness. Whether you're setting up a new paddock or upgrading your existing fencing system, the Zareba HDR656WA-Z is a solid investment for the safety and security of your horses. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews like this one. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and make smart choices with Product Critique.
Take care.